I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is John Patricof. He is CEO and co-founder of Athletes Unlimited. Also joining me, Lindsey Mckone. She is Athletes Unlimited lacrosse player, and Molly McCage, Athletes Unlimited volleyball player. Wonderful to have you all here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having us.
Great. So John, I want to start with you. Tell me, how is Athletes Unlimited changing the landscape of professional sports?
So Athletes Unlimited is a network of pro sports leagues. We've got Lindsey here today representing us on the lacrosse side and Molly on the volleyball side, but we also have leagues in basketball and in softball. And really the biggest innovation around Athletes Unlimited is the fact that the athletes are at the center of everything we do. They're involved in governance at the board of directors level. Lindsey and Molly both serve on our player executive committees. And really it's a whole new model of really centering a professional sports league and a network of professional leagues around the athletes and putting them at the center of decisions on the field and off the field.
Now, Lindsey, tell me, what opportunities does Athletes Unlimited provide to professional female athletes?
Yeah, I mean, it's everything for us. It's the only professional women's lacrosse league in the United States, if not the world, and it really has afforded us the opportunity to tell our stories and build our brand as athletes. John mentioned it, it's very much focused on the players, and they do that in everything that we do, whether it's from on the field performance to off the field athlete causes and everything like that.
And Molly, what's your perspective on the growth of women's sports over the years?
Well, I think it's wonderful. I was just talking to Katrina Adams, a tennis superstar, and tennis has always had that kind of coverage, but the fact that women's sports is getting that kind of coverage across many different sports now is massive. So I'm just fortunate to be in the era that volleyball is getting that kind of coverage.
All right, John, finally, what do you think about the recent investment in women's sports?
I mean, it's dramatic. I mean, the landscape has changed so dramatically over the past few years. You're seeing rising franchise values. You're seeing incredible attendance records being broken in soccer, and really the growth of the WNBA over the last 25 years, but specifically over the last couple of years has been dramatic, and we're really proud to be part of that. I mean, I think since we launched Athletes Unlimited in 2020, the landscape has dramatically changed, and you're seeing announcement after announcement about new investors coming in, new broadcast deals, broadcast records, and new partners and sponsors. And that's what it's going to take. It's going to take more visibility on television, and in particular, really more investment from corporate partners to take us to the next level. And I'm really confident on that happening.
All right. Well, keep up the great work, everyone. And thanks for joining me on NYSE Floor Talk.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.